Rave is an experience where we're bringing people into our minds, right? It's a culmination of our New York upbringing with our global dance and electronic future progression, right? So we're cultivating both those cultures. So when you come here, it is a safe space for you to dance, for you to just indulge and learn about so many different cultures from all around the world.
Listen, we represent all cultures. Shout out to our special guests all the way from Italy. Make some noise one time.
People are really into intimate settings now. They want to feel a part of the party. They want to feel like they're a part of something special. They want an experience, not just the top 40 hits being played on a good sound system.
So Bodega is essentially a corner store where you can buy small resources, like you can get toilet paper there, or you can get lunch for the day. On the more deep side of it, like, it's home for a lot of people. Like, when people think of New York, especially people that grew up in New York, it's something that feels like home. It's something that's gotten people through the day a lot of times. Like, let's say like there's no food at home, and it's not, you can always rely on a bodega like at 2 a.m. when you're hungry to eat something, like for like less than $5 sometimes. So the Bronx for me is home, is community, and it's also like the mecca of culture for New York. A lot of things have come out the Bronx. A lot of beautiful culture has come out the Bronx, and we get forgotten about. We're like the black sheep in terms of New York City. We're seen as dirty and this and that, and like some of that might be true, but like there's a lot more economic and political things that go into that. Even throughout all that, like there's a lot of beauty that comes out of the Bronx, and people don't want to talk about that. So we're making an effort to show that through our art.
My generation, my group of people, we kind of revolutionized what partying was, whether it was from house parties to taking the teen parties, which we call teen bashes, to actual clubs and having 18 and under parties for teens and these massive clubs, and it would sell out with so many people. That's where I learned about party life. That's where I learned to dance. That's where I learned what community was.
Shout out to all my West Indian, all my Caribbean people. All my Dominicans in the motherfucking building.
To be honest, when it comes to nightlife, there's nothing here. So we want to bring a scene back to the Bronx, New York.
A lot of our events and the way we do it is deeply rooted in rave culture. The location becomes public at some point, day of usually, and we won't ever say when it is, because the point of everything is a community thing. We want to see how involved people want to be in what we do. We don't want to create a community where it's just people that are like, oh, we just want to go to this cool event. We want people to come because they want to be involved in something cool, something that's growing in the Bronx, something that's gonna have longevity. So our target audience is people in New York, especially uptown in the Bronx, that want to be involved in something cool and something revolutionary that's happening.
What's up? Right now, I'm all up. Take them, what's up? Take them.